Makita DUH607Z 18V LXT Hedge Trimmer Review. Quiet, balanced, 60cm cordless control. If you've ever stood in front of an overgrown hedge, you know the feeling. You start trimming with good intentions, then your arms ache and progress feels painfully slow. One neighbor told me he gave up halfway and just closed the gate. Frustrating, right? Sometimes it's not effort, it's the wrong tool. Have you felt that too?
Deadlines creep in, weekends disappear, and that hedge still looks uneven. The buzzing vibration in your hands, the smell of clipped leaves, the quiet stress of wasting hours. It adds up. A client once rushed a job Sunday night after rain soaked everything. He was exhausted. Enough is enough. You want control without chaos and steady progress without draining yourself. The Makita DUH607Z 18V LXT Hedge Trimmer is built for that exact shift from struggle to smooth control. Don't just pick any hedge trimmer. Make sure it has a 60cm double-sided blade so you avoid uneven passes and wasted time on larger hedges. With up to 2,700 strokes per minute, it delivers clean, confident cuts on regular garden growth up to 15 millimeters thick. The lightweight 2.4 kilogram body and double anti-vibration structure help reduce hand fatigue during longer sessions. It's cordless on Makita's 18V LXT platform, so if you already own compatible batteries, setup is seamless. One busy property manager nearly missed a maintenance deadline, then finished 2 boundary hedges in a single afternoon using the DUH607Z. Smooth recovery. The electric brake adds responsive control, while XPT dust and water resistance supports real outdoor conditions. Some experienced users even appreciate how quiet operation makes it suitable for early residential work without drawing complaints. Want a small bonus? The chip receiver can help keep your cleanup tighter.
Efficiency is where this hedge trimmer quietly stands out. A garden tool specialist noted that the 60cm blade increases coverage per pass, helping maintain straighter lines with fewer corrections. A DIY influencer mentioned the cordless freedom made the whole session feel lighter, especially around corners and fences. An industry analyst highlighted how Makita's brushless efficiency supports consistent cutting performance over time. One homeowner told me it's very quiet, but it just keeps cutting cleanly after trimming for nearly 2 hours on a 5 amp hour battery. That says a lot. I've noticed the balance makes overhead trimming less awkward than many bulkier models. Worried about thicker branches? It's designed for regular hedge maintenance, not heavy timber, and that clarity actually protects expectations. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. Imagine fewer stops, steadier lines, and less vibration in your hands. Would smoother trimming change how you approach garden care? If you're already invested in the Makita 18V LXT system, the Makita DUH607Z 18V LXT Hedge Trimmer fits naturally into your workflow without duplicate batteries or chargers. Join the many creators and home gardeners already seeing consistent workflow improvements, though results may vary depending on hedge density and battery choice. It's practical. It's balanced. Click the link and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.